back to my kitchen. I have some cherries here and I want to do something about this because it's been sitting on my fridge for too long. So I want to do a cherry clafoutis. So join me as I do a cherry clafoutis today, okay guys? For this recipe, we'll be needing 400 grams of cherries. So as you can see, I weigh my cherries and then afterwards I will start removing the seed of the cherries using tools, which is the cherry peeler. Alright guys? Here is the tools that I'm talking about, the cherry peeler. So you just have to put the cherries inside and then you press it and the seed will come out. So it's very easy if you have this kind of tools to remove the seed of the cherries. Alright guys? Using the cherry peeler, let's start removing the seed of the cherry by using this tool. And then afterwards, we'll marinate the cherries, okay? So we'll do that one by one. And then once we finish removing the seed, we'll marinate the cherries using my syrup and couple of tablespoons of sugar, okay? And it's very easy though. You just have to be patient of removing the seed, okay? This process will test your patience. So be patient guys, okay? Okay, after removing the seed, my cherries are ready to be marinated. So I will be using cherry syrups that I got here. So I'll use like 1/2 cup of this and added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix them together and combine, then set it aside to have it marinate for a couple of minutes, okay? The other option you can use to marinate your cherry is to use liquor plus the sugar and then combine all together, and that will be good to marinate your cherries, alright? For the ingredients on our custard, we'll be needing 2 eggs. We'll be needing 1 yolk. 1 egg yolk. Okay, and we'll be needing pinch of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of sugar. You can use fine sugar, granulated sugar, whatever you got there. And you will be needing 3/4 cup of milk, as well as 1/3 cup of cream, like 10%, 18%, whatever cream you got in there. And all-purpose flour. You need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for this, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, and of course, your baking dish. So we need to butter the baking dish as well, alright? Okay, let's start to butter our baking dish and brush it with butter. So I melted about like 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Okay, so after I finish brushing my baking dish, I spread some sugar on the top of my baking dish as well. Okay guys? Okay, now let's start doing our custard. So the first thing you have to do is to put all the eggs together. So start beating it using your whisk. You don't need to use hand mixer for this. So just continue whisking it and beating it by hands, and then you can combine the sugar and all the other ingredients for this. Once everything is properly incorporated, you can add the all-purpose flour. That's the last thing you have to add it on this mixture. So the custard will be very smooth after, but you have to make sure you strain it. So you pour it in the other container and strain it so that all the clumps will be drained out and removed from the custard, and your custard will come out smooth, and that will be very delicious guys. Just don't forget to strain your custard so that it will be smooth and all the clumps are taken out from the custard, okay? Now we're ready to pour our cherries into our baking dish. And then after we put all the cherries, we will pour our custard into our baking dish, okay? So yeah, it's very easy. This is so delicious. Okay guys. Now we're ready to bake our cherry clafoutis. We'll put it to the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around like 30 to 35 minutes. And then afterwards, we'll cool the clafoutis and we have a very good dessert afterwards. Okay guys, here it is. It's already been baked and I already cool it as well. So I can't wait to dig into this one and sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. I'll see you around on my next video. Take care everyone. Bye for now.